Hey, what's up everybody? This is Andy Arnott from sellerseo.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do Amazon FBA product research the right way. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get all the information.
Running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch. Yeah. Hey, running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch. Yeah. Running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch. Yeah. Hey, running till I'm running out of breath. I got dreams to catch. Yeah.
Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon FBA product research for Amazon sellers. Now, if you're just starting out with Amazon FBA in 2018, or if you're an experienced Amazon FBA private label seller, you'll definitely want to watch this. I'm going to go through the exact techniques I use to source my products and to make a 7-figure profit every year. Now, the first thing that we want to take a look at is what not to do. These are the things you don't want to do when you're sourcing on Amazon. The first thing is you don't want to start out with Jungle Scout or Viral Launch or any of these other tools that are available that you can use to find your products. So you don't want to start with those because everybody else is starting with those. You're going to end up with a product that's not going to do well. You're going to end up with a Me Too type product. What a Me Too type product would be something like a fidget spinner. If you've even sold a little bit on Amazon, you kind of know the folklore of the fidget spinner. So many people tried to sell them, and now they're left with warehouses full of them because so many people tried to jump on the bandwagon and sell that same product. The other thing that you don't want to do is take weeks to pick your product. Sometimes, you're thinking, it might not be right. I don't want to jump into this. And you have so many excuses, and then you just sit forever and not source your product. So you definitely want to go ahead and source that product. Now, for what you want to do for product research, this is the right way. You want to try to pick products that you love, something that you use every day, something that you're passionate about, something that you have a hobby in. Say you're into baseball, then maybe you want to sell like baseball equipment or baseball memorabilia, something like that. Just something that you're really knowledgeable about. This will show in your products and your passion for what you're sourcing. Another thing you want to do is go for unique or original ideas. Things like, toilet plungers, something like that, something that may not be sexy or, something you'd want to talk about at a party. That might be a good product to source because there's a lot of people who probably don't want to source those products. Now, what you want to do to verify your product research is you definitely want to check your PPC costs. A lot of people don't think about that. If you don't know what PPC is, it's pay per click. Amazon pay per click, Amazon advertising. It's what you use to advertise your product directly on Amazon. This is when you want to start using sourcing tools like Jungle Scout or Viral Launch to source your Amazon products. This is where you can start typing in keywords for the product that you found and that you got ideas on. And this can verify your idea to see if it's going to be too competitive or a product that's going to work well. You also want to check Amazon directly, go into the categories and the bestseller list and things like that to check your products to see if there's actually a demand for it. You might have found a good product, but there just might not be enough demand for it. So you want to make sure that you do that. Now, last but not least, what do you want to see on our next video? Do you want to know how to find suppliers, the secret trick to sourcing smart, or the best way to find quality products? Drop it in the comment, and if you haven't followed our channel yet, please do so, and thanks so much for watching. I'm Andy Arnott with sellerseo.com, and this was how to source Amazon FBA products and using Amazon FBA product research.